In Counseling Insights, we share information and tools for helping others with typical challenges in life, mental health, or overall wellness. These challenges can range from dealing with patterns of anxiety or the impacts of trauma to life situations of exploring gender, sexual diversity, or navigating grief and loss. This book is a conversation between all of us who want to feel more effective and supported in our roles of helping others. This conversation draws on two main sources of knowledge. First, the 9 different authors. Each one has written a chapter focusing on one topic, giving their guidelines and strategies based on key learnings from their experience of supporting others. Second, the diversity, strength, and resilience from the lived experiences of people we have supported. Through stories, this wisdom is brought to life to provide tangible examples. Our goal is that everyone who reads this book will learn something new, feel inspired, and also be nourished in their own counseling work.